Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your Narwal Freo Z Ultra with the Narwal app. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing you have to do is download the Narwal app. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Once you do, you'll be at this home screen after you sign in or create your account. So we can view all of our Narwal devices here. We also have the option to add a device. This is most likely what your screen is going to be if you don't have any devices added. If you do, just keep swiping over till you get to this screen, or you can select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. So we're going to add a device. And in this case, we have the Freo series of devices. So at the time of this video, this is not released yet. So you'll most likely be seeing a picture of this vacuum right here. But the good news is we have in the top right-hand corner the option to scan a QR code. So on our vacuum, we have a QR code right here we can scan to set this up. We've scanned the code. We're going to agree to the terms. We're going to get ready for network configuration by selecting the next option. Now it wants us to connect to the robot. So we have a couple different Bluetooth options here because we have multiple devices. So we got to choose our correct device. In your case, you only have one Narwal device here, so choose the only one that you see. Once you select your Bluetooth device, this is the screen you're going to be at where you need to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. So go ahead, choose your network, make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter your information, and then select next.
Network connecting.
Now we have a voice prompt letting us know that the network's connecting. It's going to go through that checklist right there. We have 5 things that it needs to do.
Network connected.
We're getting more prompts there, and there we go. That took less than like 15 seconds. Now everything was successfully set up. We can select done. And now we're taken into our device right here. So very simple and straightforward setup with your Narwal Freo Z Ultra and the Narwal app available for iOS and Android devices.